According to the professional conduct section, which of the following activities is strictly prohibited for notaries public unless they are licensed attorneys? To answer this question, let's have a look at the professional conduct section of the Notary Public License Law booklet, and it states, unless a lawyer, the notary public may not engage directly or indirectly in the practice of law. Listed below are some of the activities involving the practice of law which are prohibited and which subject the notary public to removal from office by the Secretary of State and possible imprisonment, fine, or both. A notary may not give advice on the law. The notary may not draw any kind of legal paper such as wills, deeds, bills of sale, mortgages, chattel mortgages, etc. May not ask for and get legal business to send to a lawyer or lawyers. Number 3, may not divide or agree to divide his fees with a lawyer. And number 4, may not advertise in or circulate in any manner any paper or advertisement or say to anyone that he has any powers or rights not given to the notary by the laws under which the notary was appointed. So with all this in mind, let's have a look at our 4 choices to determine the solution. Choice A states administering oaths or affirmations. Well, that's certainly part of a notary public's regular duties and not something that the professional conduct section disallows, and therefore choice A is not the correct solution. Choice B states giving legal advice, drawing up legal documents, and advertising legal powers. Well, that aligns with what we read from before from the law, but before we mark this as the correct solution, let's have a look at choices C and D just to be certain. Choice C states executing an acknowledgement of the execution of a will. This as well falls under the regular duties of a notary public and is not disallowed under the professional conduct section of the Notary Public License Law. Therefore, choice C is not the correct solution. And finally, choice D states notarizing documents related to real estate transactions. Once again, this is a regular duty of a notary public and not something that's disallowed under the professional conduct section, and therefore choice D is not the solution, which indeed leaves choice B, giving legal advice, drawing up legal documents, and advertising legal powers as the correct solution.